To go racing, people. It's going to be awesome.
This is ultimate biking.
Not this first, guys. Car coming! Car coming! Rough day today at the track. Had some scares. Really got down in the corner there and won. Thought they were going to pass me, but I managed to pull off first and second place all by myself. It was amazing. Rough day. Thanks for your support.
It's a tough ride today. Did good. That Explorer that went by was a little tough to get by. The driveway is running a little short. I was hoping the track is going to be longer, but I think I pulled out another win for us. Go me.